The confirmed number of cases of the coronavirus in Los Angeles County today comes to 35,329. The confirmed number of deaths reaches 1,709. Here in Torrance, the total number of confirmed cases is 329, with total confirmed deaths at 39. Welcome to COVID-19 Today. I'm Ben McCain. It's 4 p.m. on Thursday, May 14th. The Los Angeles County Department of Health issued a continuation of the Safer at Home order this week with some modifications. Officials say the rate of transmission of COVID-19 in the county still continues to be a present and substantial risk. Since the Safer at Home order went into effect 8 weeks ago and residents continue to practice social distancing and staying at home, data is reflecting the rate of infection is slowing down, which is why an extension of this practice is needed. In an effort to keep the county moving into its next stages of its roadmap to recovery, residents are advised to continue limiting person-to-person contact and other infection control protocols. While this may be the new normal for now, health officials recognize this is not a sustainable long-term solution. In the meantime, until data can show that more restrictions can be lifted, people are advised to continue social distancing, wearing a face covering whenever you're outside your home, wash hands thoroughly, and keep up with cleaning protocols. Currently, only low-risk businesses are allowed to reopen, and spending time outdoors should be limited to essential necessities as well as for exercise. The city of Torrance continues to update its back-to-business plan. Stage 2 of its limited reopening includes low-risk businesses like florists, toy, book, music, all retail and sporting goods stores open with curbside and door-front pickup services. Pet grooming businesses are also now allowed, car dealership showrooms, therapeutic and peer support groups with less than 15 people, drive-through car washes with no customer contact, and all manufacturing and warehouse facilities that support retail businesses can now operate. Curbside service could include drive-through delivery to your vehicle and walk up to retail businesses. While shoppers are not allowed inside retail shops, now all retail stores in strip malls can open with curbside or door-front pickup options. Del Amo Fashion Center continues to see more stores offering curbside pickup service, including Uniqlo, Urban Outfitters, Soma, Gold Italia, Free People, Barnes & Noble, and Anthropologie. Other retailers at the mall, White House Black Market, New York & Company, Macy's, Kiehl's, and Joann's are expected to begin curbside service next week. Los Angeles County residents struggling to make rent may get some reprieve soon thanks to a federally funded program. The Los Angeles County Development Authority was approved to utilize the Community Development Block Grant Program to create and administer the Emergency Rental Assistance Program. This was made possible due to the CARES Act. The ERA program will allow those who are income eligible and severely impacted during this pandemic because of job loss, furlough, or reduction in hours or pay. The ERA grants could help with up to $1,000 per month per eligible household for up to 3 months. County officials hope to help not only struggling residents as well as landlords who may be struggling to meet their mortgage obligations on retail properties. More than $3.7 million has been made available to residents. You can call 211 or go online to 211la.org/COVID-rental-help to fill out an application. The deadline to apply is May 31st. Today marks the 8th week since non-essential businesses across California were ordered to shut down under the governor's stay-at-home order. As parts of California move further along in Phase 2 of the state's reopening plan, the state's unemployment rate also has skyrocketed. The United States Department of Labor announced in its weekly report today that another 3 million Americans filed for unemployment benefits last week, bringing the total to 36 million jobless claims in the past 2 months. More than 214 claims were filed in California last week, a significant decrease from the 316,000 filed a week prior. Throughout the country, California is 4th in new claims behind Connecticut, Georgia, and Florida. The nation's top infection specialist, Dr. Anthony Fauci, cautioned that Americans may not be able to safely return to school in the fall. citing not enough progress has been developed for a vaccine. Dr. Fauci said he didn't have an easy answer for how to return students back to school this August and said, quote, "We just have to see on a step-by-step basis as we get into the fall and reopening the schools where we will be in the dynamics of the outbreak." Dr. Fauci also said guidance for schools would vary state by state. California Superintendent of Schools said yesterday it will be up to the individual school districts to decide when to safely reopen, with guidance provided by California Department of Education. The state's top education official, Tony Thurmond, said those guidelines would be shared with local education leaders in the next few weeks. The state will not mandate when schools are to reopen, and a common opening across school districts is not anticipated. Whether you're college-bound or a returning student, if you have plans to attend any of the 23 California state universities, you'll be doing it from the comforts of your home, at least for the fall semester. Chancellor Timothy White told Cal State's Board of Trustees this week that students would not be allowed back on campus just yet and will continue with virtual classes. Exceptions will be made for students who require lab settings like nursing and science, who would be allowed in with proper precautions. Well, it's unclear yet how this will affect athletics at the universities. The city's grocery delivery service, Torrance Cares to Go, is getting ready to phase out. Tomorrow will be the last day participants can place an order for delivery. To help local residents who may still need assistance with grocery delivery services, the city listed a number of grocery and delivery resources available with direct links on the city's website. You'll also find information on the Great Plates program. This is a statewide initiative launched to ensure seniors have access to daily fresh meals. Seniors just need to sign up online. The Great Plates program has been extended through June 10th. Local restaurants can also register to be able to provide food services to the community. The Torrance Cares to Go program was organized by the city to offer seniors and those with underlying health conditions an option to have grocery and some essential items delivered at a set cost. Since the program kicked off at the end of March, there has been a significant decline in demand. Nearly 1,300 packages have been delivered to date. Now, with the Cares to Go program winding down, no matter how you receive your groceries, the Food and Drug Administration has some reassuring news. The FDA recently reiterated guidelines advising shoppers that there is currently no evidence of human or animal food or food packaging being associated with the transmission of the coronavirus. The FDA says there's low risk of the virus being transmitted through groceries or packaging, and the best way to protect yourself is to continue to wash your hands immediately after returning home, to avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth with your hands, practice social distancing, and wear a face covering when outside your home. This year, 29 new recipients of the 2020 Hometown Heroes Banner Program will be included among the now 170 banners across town. You may have started noticing them along the streets throughout Torrance as city workers began installing the banners this week. The program recognizes the community's men and women in uniform who are currently serving in the armed forces, as well as veterans and those who have passed. A special tribute is headed our way tomorrow and Saturday, so be prepared to hear the jets as they approach Torrance. The U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds and the Navy Blue Angels plan to honor medical workers and first responders with the flyover salute over San Diego and parts of Los Angeles tomorrow afternoon. 6 F-16 Fighting Falcons will take formation over Los Angeles around 1:30 p.m. And on Saturday, as a tribute to the annual Armed Forces Day Parade that would traditionally take place this weekend, the Tiger Squadron, a precision formation flying and aircraft display team based out of Torrance Airport, will fly over Torrance Boulevard at 1 p.m. as a tribute to the United States Armed Forces. They will pass over Torrance hospitals as well to thank the city's medical first responders. Spectators are asked to safely watch from their homes, avoid gathering, and maintain social distancing guidelines while enjoying this special tribute. If you're one of thousands who won't be part of a traditional graduation ceremony due to COVID-19, we want to celebrate you and your big milestone. Congratulations to Ruby CHRETIEN. She is our youngest graduate today. Ruby is promoting from Seaside Parent Participation Nursery School this June. Now, she is very excited to begin kindergarten in the fall. She loves ballet, playing with her older sister, and also loves cats. Congratulations to you, Ruby. Congratulations to Julien MACIEL. He is a graduating senior at Torrance High School. He aspires to be a paramedic firefighter with the Torrance Fire Department. In the fall, he will complete his EMT course at SCROC, then attend El Camino College for fire technology classes. Congratulations, Julien. And congratulations to Jose Carpio. He is a graduating senior at North High School. His parents wanted to share that they are so proud of him for all of his hard work. Congratulations, Jose. Congratulations to Christian Williams. He's a graduating senior at North High School. Congratulations to Annie Chen. She is a graduating senior at South High School. She loves writing, poetry, and cooking. She plans to attend the University of Chicago in the fall. Congratulations to Lauren Amasquita Quintas. She is a graduating senior at North High School. Her mom, her dad, JC, and Brooklyn want to give her a big shout out and said how proud they are of her and all of Lauren's accomplishments. And congratulations to Anton Shiozaki. He's a graduating senior at North High School. He's a member of the California Scholarship Federation, captain of North High's varsity volleyball team, and an Eagle Scout, the highest rank in the Boy Scouts organization. Anton is headed to UC San Diego in the fall. Congratulations to AJ Soto. He's a graduating senior at North High School. His family wanted to say how proud they are of all his accomplishments. And congratulations to Andrew Rubacava. He is a graduating senior at Torrance High School. He's a pitcher for the Torrance varsity baseball team. He will be attending Cal State Dominguez Hills to study computer science engineering. Andrew Rubacava. Congratulations, Andrew. Congratulations to all of our graduates, whether it's a preschool promotion or college graduation and every milestone in between. Send us your photo and let us know what school you're graduating from. We'll be sure to share it on our show. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov. Well, before we go, at the end of each program, we like to share your story of how you and your family, friends, and local businesses are all surviving this health crisis. Here in Torrance, as we head into what would have been the annual Armed Forces Day celebration weekend, we'd like to honor one of the Hometown Heroes banner recipients. His name is Robert Sawyer. Now, last weekend, we shared video and pictures of Mr. Sawyer as he celebrated his 100th birthday in Torrance. That's right, folks, 100. His family organized a birthday parade down his street with Torrance police and firefighters driving through his neighborhood, as well as friends and family members. We invited his family to share a message with us about Mr. Sawyer, and here's what his daughter-in-law, Dawn Sawyer, sent to us in a statement. We are honoring Robert Sawyer. He served in World War II in the Army Air Corps. He is such an inspiration to his children, grandchildren, great-grandchildren, and great-great-grandchild. He teaches us to be humble and kind, to live life to its fullest, to love fiercely. We are so blessed to have him still in our lives, imparting his wisdom to us, and this is just a small way of honoring him. He truly deserves to be celebrated every day. We love hearing stories and seeing photos sent to us, so please keep them coming so that we can share your story of how Torrance cares. Email us at covid19today@torranceca.gov if you have any questions or you just want to share. Stay informed by signing up at torranceca.gov/Torrance Alerts. Subscribe to City Cable's YouTube channel and be sure to like the city's Facebook page. That's our update for COVID-19 today. We hope you'll join us again tomorrow at 2 p.m. as Colleen Farrell brings you the latest COVID-19 updates. Be safe, stay healthy, and thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.